Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonfireTools.com, coming to you from the Campbell's Custom Care Studio.
We are trucking along here at Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonfireTools.com. And just take a look at this great-looking Ford Raptor we have here in the studio. Fantastic-looking truck. Well, do me a favor. Close your eyes. All right, now open them. What a pop of color. Just that little detail right there, the color on the tow hooks. And John, up until now, if you wanted to take your OEM tow hooks and put color on them, what would you have to go through?
You'd either have to paint them or powder coat them.
And you're talking big time expense, lots of money, lots of time, but you've come up with a solution at Towkz.
Yeah, our Towkz solved the problem. Without any labor, you can just pop these on in about 20 seconds and it changes the front end of your truck.
Well, how do they work?
Each Towkz has a channel underneath that's patented, and the only way you can get a rubber tube on a closed hook, and they just pop right over.
Obviously, they're easy to put on. Are they durable? How long are they going to last?
You know, I've ordered a lot of truck products for my own truck. Sometimes disappointed with durability and fading, so it was very important to us. We made them highest quality silicone rubber. The integrity stays, they adhere to the hook, and they're fade resistant. We put a lot of UV protection within each hook.
And you're out in California, so you've had plenty of UV testing done on these things.
Yes, we've thrown them on the roofs and they're fade resistant.
And how many different colors do you make?
We're up to 7 colors. We have red, white, blue, amber, pink, and newest colors are neon green and yellow. A lot of requests for those.
And the ambers are very cool on this truck. We did it earlier and we had the lights on. It really looked fantastic. Now, how many different makes and models are we covering here for the OEM hooks?
Well, as a new company, we start off with the trucks that are most sold. Those are the half tons. So you got the F-150s, the Toyota Tundras, the Dodge Ram 1500s, the Chevy Silverados, and the TRXs, and the Raptors. Been great in that community. They love the pop the color gives on their truck, and just a simple way to change things up on the front end.
And another thing that really jumps out on the box here, made in the United States of America. How important is that to you?
From the get-go, we wanted to find our manufacturers. We wanted to make sure it was shipped. Everything's designed, everything's done USA.
I've looked all over social media and I see you guys everywhere. People reviewing it and they love the product. What are some of the things you're hearing?
Yeah, social media has been kind to us. We've had a lot of great comments. Best idea ever. Email I got from a customer the other day, 3 words, I love them. That was it. So it was very nice. And just the whole Raptor community and Towkz community, especially because the Towkz fit on both the front end and the back end of those trucks, and they have 4 clear round. It's been great in that community. They've been wonderful.
Well, you're going to love the price, you're going to love the ease of installation, and you're going to love the way they look on your truck. You can find the Towkz at hookproductsusa.com. Now, if you're looking for superior power sports accessories, look no further than Rhino USA. They make it easy with these ratchet straps to get your vehicle onto a trailer and out to the trail. But once you get out there, Ted, there's a whole separate set of problems that come with off-roading, and you guys have a solution for that.
Of course, yeah. When you're out, mud, dirt, sand, snow, vehicles are getting stuck. You got to get yourself out. So we got everything from shovels to straps, snatch blocks. We cover the gamut.
Let's start with the shovels. Now, you found a need for one of these, and you didn't have a shovel, so you developed one.
Right, little embarrassing to be out in the field, off-roading in the dunes and get stuck, and I've got a strap, but I've got no way to dig the vehicle out. So we started there, started developing the shovel. Nice big head on that thing to dig out when you're stuck in the sand or snow or mud.
And these folks have been doing this for years and years and years, and they've developed it for their own vehicles and for their own sports. You know it's going to be right for yours. And moving on to the hitch receiver here, tell me about that.
Yeah, nice big heavy steel hitch receiver. This is how you're going to connect your tow strap, either kinetic or regular recovery strap. And you don't want to be using a ball. That's what we see a lot of people doing. They're looping the end of a tow strap over a ball, which creates a metal
projectile coming
right
on a rubber band. That's terrible.
People are getting hurt with that kind of stuff.
That's a terrible idea.
Using the proper tool for the proper application is important.
And the hitch is the safest place from which to tow a vehicle.
Absolutely, 100%. Yes.
Very good. Moving on to the snatch block there.
So snatch block, you're going to use this with our winch recovery kit. We'll come with a tree saver strap, snatch block, tow strap. And we could build custom kits for anybody, any application, whether it be self-recovery or recovering other vehicles. Seems like the trend in the industry now is moving on to lightweight, kinetic on the snatch straps, and soft shackles, which this is our 1/2-inch heavy-duty soft shackle that we use for Jeeps and heavy-duty recovery.
Why are folks moving toward the soft shackles away from the hard shackles?
Well, they can be safer, but lighter, easier to carry, more compact. You can smash this thing up, and you're carrying a lot of gear out there when you're off-roading, so compact is important.
And that's probably the preferred method if you're fastening to maybe your roll bar or something you don't want to get scratched
Sure,
up to.
absolutely. A little easier. You can create tie-down points with this. Rather, with a D-ring, you have to have a D-ring mount or the shackle hitch receiver.
Probably get a lot of folks that are skeptical, saying that probably doesn't hold as much weight as one of the regular shackles.
Very surprising, but 46,000 lab tested on this thing. So,
My goodness.
I mean, they're massively strong.
And then that's something you touched on there, lab testing. You guys do that, and you hear a lot of folks that don't do the actual lab tests.
Right.
How much do you test all of your gear?
We lab test every single product. We post our lab test results on our listings, our product listings, and on our packaging. So, and we put that right on the label of every single thing we sell.
What if maybe I'm new to off-roading or new to this kind of stuff and I don't know what I need? What can I do?
Give us a call. We have an 800 number. We encourage everybody to give us a call. Our techs are standing by. They'll answer any questions you have. We also post our address. We have an office on the East Coast, office on the West Coast. Walk in. We get walk-ins every day. We talk to them in person, and we love talking to the customers.
Well, you can walk in, you can check out their website, you can even give them a call. Check them out at rhinousainc.com. I bet you they have what you need. We'll be right back with more Motorhead Garage presented by DragonfireTools.com.